Life savings. You missed a dime. You missed a dime, player. You could have called somebody with that 87. Don't forget. Man, this is some. That was some entertaining shit. Am I right? Yeah, that was. All right, we're gonna give it up for our next roast comics. We got Chris versus Paco. Oh, Chris.
That's the shittiest music ever.
Sorry, Chris, I don't know you, and they didn't give me a last name, so hey, but you got theme music. And we got Paco!
Sorry.
I'm gonna give the coin to my Puerto Rican brother here. Heads or tails? It is tails. Chris, your call. You can go first, or he can go.
He can go first.
Go first. All right. First up, we got Paco.
What up on stage? What up? What's going on? First, I gotta I'm really unprepared for what's about to happen. I just found out that Chris is a dude. I thought he was a lesbian all this time, a flat check lesbian, all this fucking time. Apparently, his girl just found out too. He just broke up with her because she thought he was a lesbian too. So now he's just losing all type of things. Let me let you know real quick though. I gotta give mad props to him. Chris is we know him as Chris Columbine. Chris really has plans to kill y'all all. He got a book called The Anarchist Cookbook. He got, I'm telling them, why y'all playing? I'm telling y'all for real. He's trying to kill everybody. He got a domestic terrorism unit going on. Going back and forth and killing and bombing. So the NSA ain't on them because they comedians. So I'm really scared. So I just want to say I respect you, dude. Y'all know he's a yoga master? He's a yoga master. You know what he can do right now? He can suck his own dick. He's him and the Dalai Lama of true happiness.
Paco Loco, where to start? Paco Loco is a DJ, basketball trick performer, and stand-up comedian, which means his primary source of income is Uber. I read Paco's Uber reviews. It was full of women saying, "This guy talked about how the Illuminati tried to recruit me for 15 minutes. It was so uncomfortable. I wish he would have just raped me." Wait. No. He does rape his passenger. Oh, well, okay, I'm sorry.
Okay. Roast battles go one joke. Not 6 jokes, 7 jokes, 8 jokes, 9 jokes. Y'all got it?
What was that?
All right.
Round 2. Fight. I actually got this nonprofit that where I actually help white people, and I really try to protect them. So I actually had an honor to fight this guy. He wanted to learn how to fight because he wanted to learn how not to get raped talking about rape. But every time I fought him, he make this funny ass noise, like, oh shit, now I want to rape him.
What?
Paco is a rapist, but it's like only drunk girls during prom season. He's like a seasonal rapist. That's not even that bad. Come on. He's just getting those girls ready for college, all right?
Let me tell you something about this guy right now. He works in Hollywood. He's an assistant producer, a recruiter. But ladies, you gotta worry about him. He's sexually ambitious. He calls himself a feminist. Nah, nigga, you just feminine. That's what you are.
Oh!
They put him in charge of all the Hollywood hoes. They put him in charge of all the Hollywood hoes. They know he's not gonna touch them. But if you're a dude, Lance, I'm gonna put it out. He made Lance take his shirt off. Lance went for a Hollywood show. You got pictures.
Talk about that.
I'm just saying, we let it out with the truth. He took pictures of Lance and now he got it on his book. Every time it comes up, he likes it.
It's like 5 jokes. It's like 5 jokes.
That's a true story. So, Paco is a Trump supporter. Oh, I know, right? I'm onto you, Paco. It's disingenuous. He just wants Trump to build that wall so he can remain the most successful drug addict in his family.
Oh, we're gonna talk about family. We're gonna talk about family. He's like the biggest disappointment. He could be so much with his life, but according to him, he's too busy playing Fortnite. Whatever the fuck that is, that's what he does at his time. He got aspirations and he got hopes. He wants to pick off where Harvey Weinstein left off.
Paco is a college graduate, although you wouldn't know by looking at him.
Wow.
Yeah. That's the setup. Come on, man. Are you kidding me?
Finish the joke.
This is bias. Paco, what the fuck did you major in? Women's harassment studies? He went to the same fraternity as Bill Cosby, just so you guys know.
Last joke.
Last joke. Or let me talk. I actually talked to him. I am into the Illuminati. He's already on his way to the Illuminati. I asked him how he could get in. This motherfucker said with a serious face, you gotta rape babies and kill them. With a serious face, so I know he's gonna go far in Hollywood. He actually has Hollywood dreams of also being Ellen DeGeneres' stunt double. That's just thing he's working on.
Standing.
And he also started Hollywood several years ago, so I know he's on his way. He got molested by Michael Jackson, and he liked it.
Hey, Paco. Oh, right, bro.
Oh, man. So, I don't know if you guys know this, all you people not in the comedy scene, I'm going to paint a little picture for you. This place, it's a lot like high school, but like if everyone had autism. And, you know, people pretend to like Paco. Like they pretend to be his friend and shit. But during the tsunami, did any of you guys call Paco? No, seriously, I'm not even joking. Did any of you guys call Paco? You guys want to know the one person that called Paco? You guys want to know who it was? His fucking drug dealer.
Yo, that's
and not even his weed dealer. Bill Cosby's Quaalude dealer.
All right. Give a round of applause for our roast guys. Give it a big hand, bud.
What the fuck?
There's a lot of rape references.
I showed my girlfriend a picture of him, and that's what happened.
Fair enough. See, Paco, you do kind of look like the baby with the one eyebrow all grown up. It's great though. All right, let's give it up. Who thinks Paco Loco won that round? And who thinks Chris with the leather jacket won that round?
Damn.
Let's give it up for our winner, Chris Leather Jacket.
Chris leather
Good
jacket.
job, fellas. We appreciate you guys.
Chris fucking leather jacket.
Just remember, folks, these roast battles are all about fun. All the comics hang out and kind of